안녕하세요. 오빠입니다. Hello everyone, this is 오빠. Today, I will going to show you how to use Print Cafe. Print Cafe is a place where you can print documents by yourself. Despite its name, it is not a cafe for coffee or tea. It is a place to print. It is unmanned and operates 24/7. So you can visit anytime you need to print something. As you can see, there are computers and multifunction printers available. So you can use a USB drive to open your file or access your files online through the computers. Today, I'll use my thumb drive to print a file. Here is my PDF file. Let's go ahead and print it. First, select whether you want color or black and white. 흑백 means black and white. Color means color. I will choose 흑백, black and white. Next, enter how many copies you want. I will select 1 copy. Now hit 인쇄, which means print. Then it will ask you to enter a 개인 식별 코드, which is a personal identification number. This number should be at least 4 digits long. I will just enter 1, 2, 3, 4 this time. Now let's move over to the multifunction printer. You'll see 4 options. 복사 means copy. 인쇄 means print. Scan means scan. Fax means fax. I will choose 인쇄, which means print. Next, it asks you to choose where your file is saved. I will select PC since I'm using the computer here. Enter your personal identification number again. And then choose the file you want to print and hit the blue button to continue. Now check the price on the screen. If everything looks good and you want to proceed, hit 확인, which means confirm. If you want to cancel, hit 취소, which means cancel. I'm ready to print, so I will hit 확인. At this point, it will ask you to insert your card. Go ahead and insert it. It's printing. Ta-da! It's done. It looks great. Here is the price information for your reference. Prices may be slightly different depending on the shop. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again with a new video. 다음 시간에 만나요. See you next time.